Hey guys, so I've been working on this 99 Sportsman 500, and if you saw my last video of running and driving, it made a little rattling noise. So first thing I suspected was the Bendix gear, and the second thing was the pull start rope was broken. So I pulled the cover off, and look what's missing. It's not even on there. So what I did was I had an old pull start cover in good shape. I removed that. I removed the old pull start cover and checked the Bendix gear. And let me show you what I found. So this is the one I pulled out. And as you can see right here, there's a little gap. Everything works like it should. It just doesn't go all the way in. This is a good one. See how that sits in there? If I retract it, it'll pull out. I can't do it with one hand. So yeah, it should pull out, but it doesn't go all the way back in. So what I was doing, it was making this rattling noise, probably the teeth rubbing against the flywheel. And also the guy didn't put the shim, the round shim behind it. This is all aftermarket. He put aftermarket starter in, aftermarket Bendix, aftermarket stator. I believe the CDI and a couple other electronics to it. But so yeah, I replaced that. Now when I go to start it, doesn't make that rattling noise like it was before. Before it was really bad. Still gotta adjust the idle, but before I was making a bad kind of chirping, rattling noise. Now it's quiet. Not easy fix. Bendix. New pull start cover. Another thing to keep in mind too, if your pull start rope breaks and this thing all blows apart, it's mostly going to, I should say mostly, it could actually damage the pulse coil that's behind the stator that's in here. You could either bend it in or out. I actually bought one that it wouldn't start. And the pull start cover, the pull start rope was broke. So we pulled the cover off, checked that pulse coil, turned out that it was bent out from everything breaking on the pull start. And we just bent it back and then used a feeler gauge, put it in the right position, put a new pull start cover on, and she fired right up. So something else to keep in mind, guys, if your pull start rope breaks, I would pull the cover off and see what's going on in there just to make sure you didn't damage anything. All right, guys, my little quick tip of the day. Like always, till next time.